Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We have learnt a part of this dua. Now we'll take the remaining part. فَاغْفِرْ لِي فَإِنَّهُ لَا يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ إِلَّا أَنْتَ. Thus forgive me, and indeed no one can forgive the sins except you. فَاغْفِرْ لِي. Fa means thus, so, therefore. إِغْفِرْ, forgive. إِغْفِرْ, غَفَرَ, يَغْفِرُ, إِغْفِرْ, forgive. We are not ordering Allah, we are begging. إِغْفِرْ, forgive. Li, if you translate with preposition, it will be forgive for me. In English, you don't add preposition, you don't say forgive for me. Forgive me. فَإِنَّهُ, fa means so, inna is indeed, فَإِنَّهُ, indeed, فَإِنَّهُ, and indeed, لَا يَغْفِرُ, no one can forgive. الذُّنُوبَ, dhanb is singular, dhunub is plural, no one can forgive the sins, إِلَّا أَنْتَ. إِلَّا is except, anta is you. إلا أنت, except you. فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. So forgive me, and indeed no one can forgive the sins except you. مغفرة actually means to cover or hide the sins. So please forgive my sins, O Allah. I cannot wipe them out nor undo them. No one can forgive except you. No one can intercede before you without your permission or force you to do anything. If a person commits a sin and then feels guilty, repents, and makes a commitment to keep away from that sin in future, then Allah forgives him. It is better to be in a state of guilt and humility before Allah after repenting from a sin than be proud of one's obedience and think oneself to be better than others. It does not mean that we keep committing sins. It only means that if we are able to do a good deed, we should be sincerely thankful to Allah for giving us that opportunity. So the first half is Allahumma anta rabbi, la ilaha illa ant, khalaqtani wa ana abduk wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastata'at. Next 5 sentences are A'udhu bika min sharri ma sana'at, أبوء لك بنعمتك علي وأبوء بذنبي فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.